Proximity is one of the principle used in designing, not just in mobile and web designing, but overall in a graphic design as well. Proximity means when you place two objects closer to each other, right? They appear in a single group. For example, if two people are standing together in a big ground, you will assume that they are together or they are having a conversation with each other. The similar way in a graphic designing, in visual designing, when we place certain objects together, they form a certain group, and then our brain immediately starts interpreting a certain kind of meaning with it. So when it comes to web and mobile designing, we can use this principle to group certain elements or group certain options on the mobile screen or a web screen. So as you see on this screen, the entire page is divided in three different groups. One group that you see in the center, where the Google logo appears. There is a search bar, there are two buttons, and then language options. The other bigger group is that you see is in the footer section. So in footer, it's very specifically marked in gray, which has some menu items like advertising, business about, and other features that Google offers, and some other options as well. And on top right corner, you see the login information, where you can switch different applications of Google. So now, how this works is there are three different groups. So definitely proximity principle is used here. Now in the center group, you see Google logo, then there is a search bar, there are two buttons, and language options. So these four items are actually grouped together, so that immediate attention of the user goes to them, and user immediately understands that these are supposed to be some functions, primary functions of the website itself. And then there are other groups. So every element is grouped in a certain section. Now inside this bigger group, there are again two small groups that are formed. Obviously, Google logo is a single item, search bar is a single item, but these two buttons, they also are grouped together, so they appear together. And all these language options that you see in Hindi, Bangla, Marathi, and other languages that you see, those are grouped together to form a single element again. So proximity principle is used here to kind of make user understand that these all items are supposed to be primarily used, so that user also intuitively takes actions accordingly. But when you move to the right side, you see the top right corner, that particular group is far away from the group that is in center. Now that is also done intentionally. So proximity can be used in both the ways. You can either place two elements together close enough so that they form a group in the user's mind, or you place them away, so that again kind of can be used as an advantage, because then sign in button and the profile icon and all the other elements are away from these items, and they also grab a user's attention in a very particular way. So that's how the proximity principle is used in this in mobile or web design.